Meet the RBTT 505025, Jtec's turntable cart. This cart is designed with ergonomics in mind. It has a 50 by 50 inch rotating deck with stops every 180 degrees so that workers don't have to strain when loading or unloading parts. The rotation is activated by a foot pedal release located opposite handle side. This B-size turntable has a weight capacity of 2,500 pounds. And there are standard and center captures for secure load retainment. Our turntable cart rides on premium casters with 2 rigid and 2 swivel casters featuring a face contact brake. This reliable cart is part of Jtec's CarryMore system. It has wings on the side which allow it to be mechanically lifted off the ground and securely placed into our mother carts. Lifting the daughter carts off the ground and locking them into place reduces replacement caster costs as well as noise. Our CarryMore system has great versatility with our patented Elimate lift technology, allowing for a wide variation of different CarryMore carts to be transported. To learn more, visit jtecindustries.com and reach out today.